how to activate a Tesco SIM card. So here on the official website, you can see that activating your device or SIM, you just need to insert your SIM card into your phone and make a call to any number. So you should know how to insert a SIM card. You just take out the previous SIM or open up the slot and then input your SIM card. They send you a try SIM. You never need to worry about getting the wrong size. So you just gotta match it to your specific slot there. If you need to activate an eSIM, you can look at the eSIM page for more support, but what you have to do is just input the SIM card and, like I said, make a phone call to any number. Make sure your SIM card is in your phone. It will be on the side of your new phone's box. Your SIMs, our SIMs are standard size with a pop-out micro or nano SIM. And basically what you have to do is just insert the SIM. It is going to verify, it's going to tell you that there is a SIM card inserted on your mobile device. And then after calling a number, that is going to activate your Tesco SIM. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.